Looking to upgrade your movie nights with a compact 4K-ready projector? You're going to love this one. Check out the MagCubic HY300 Pro Projector, a portable Android 11 smart projector with 4K decoding, dual Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, and 290 ANSI lumens of brightness. Right now, it's available for just $48.91, down from $135.84. That's a massive 64% off. Click the link in the description below to buy it now. This lightweight projector weighs only 0.7 kilograms, but delivers a big screen experience from 40 to 200 inches, with HD resolution at 1280 by 720p and support for 4K content. It features auto Keystone correction, built-in speakers, and runs on Android, so you can stream directly without any extra device. With HDMI input, Bluetooth support, and dual-band Wi-Fi 6, it connects easily to your phone, laptop, or streaming device. Perfect for home theater setups, backyard movie nights, or even outdoor camping trips. Looking for a cinema experience without the cinema price? Get the MagCubic HY300 Pro now while the deal lasts. Click the link in the description below to grab yours. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more budget tech reviews and top deals.